Well, this ain't good, guys.
There it goes. Come on. Come on.
Oh, no.
Bones down the grate. And it's going to be that limb across the street. Listen, and that's it.
Maybe my trash cans will hold it up.
Yeah, right.
Hello? Yeah. You said the tree uprooted right there in front of my house?